Hi everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. I'm just going to do a little quick video tonight since I've been getting a lot of interest in that now. Also with Arco over at Outlaw Edge. Guys, go and check him out. Also, don't forget to go and check out Glenn Red at NZ Mopar, and I think it's Justin at Eastern Metalworks. Go check all these guys out and show them some love as well. So tonight I just thought I'd go along. I don't know how many people actually know what a pipe anvil is and all that sort of stuff. So what I thought I'd do is I would show you basically how it works and that sort of stuff. I went through roughly a description of how it worked the other day on my other video, but I thought I'd just go over it again with you on that and actually fold up two of the folds I've got to do on some one of the floor pans for a customer order. So we'll go along, we'll do that. I don't have a very tall tripod, so you will have to bear with me with it, and we will get on with it. So basically that there is my pipe anvil. The whole idea of a pipe anvil is if you don't have a roller, there's Justin. Justin's got a small little bench roller, and that he rolls the curves in for his panels that he makes. Now this is a little bit bigger. I made this up to suit my HR boot floors that I'm hoping to produce as soon as I can get the new bead roller, and that I've got 5 orders, pre-orders already for the bead roller. Still needing another 7 more before I can order it in, and that. So basically, how it works is you've got 2 curvatures of the pipes. Now the large pipe, you can do a larger curve. The smaller pipe, you can do the smaller curves and all that sort of stuff for that dimension of the pipe. Now for instance, if you've got, say, another pipe that's a bit smaller, like this one, you could go along and put a couple more holes in along both sides, and that, so then you can attach another pipe smaller dimension to that one to get a really tighter radius of curve. So basically I'm going to try and stick this tripod up over here for tonight. So I just got a little shitty crappy tripod which I don't have the right attachment for to put yours on, but we will make do with this one for now. So basically I'll just zoom these in a little bit to about there. So basically it's hard to see, might not be able to see it. Yeah, there we go. You got a line over here that I've drawn. Now that line, you go along and you find your lines in the panel. So for instance, this panel has to go on a slight angle, so we just get our spinner and loosen it off. Slide that in there, and then we go through and we try and line up those lines as best as we possibly can. About there. Then you go along, but you don't have to tighten it back up. You can leave it loose it off, but I need to tighten it up a little. And then what you do is you just fold it. Just put those 2 panels away. Then we just go along, and that should give you curvature that you're going to need, and that for your panel. Just come around behind the camera so I can see it. So as you can see, it's giving me the curve that I'm needing, and the line is just before these ones, which isn't too bad. The customer should be able to make do with the way that is, and then probably go along and just sit it there for now. So then there we go. So I think I made these ones a little bit shorter. So basically, normally it's got to be a little bit more. I think I can say it when I make these ones up for the extra roll here. I don't know what I've done there and that, but basically normally there would be a little bit extra metal here and that, so it would roughly work out basically another 50 mils on here that you would then end up curving this way, and that's so yeah. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to possibly look at finding out if my customers need the extra metal. So basically, I might have stuffed up on those 4 panels. That I'm hoping not. But I will double check with the customers over the weekend. I'll fold them all up and beat them with the way that one is, and we'll go from there. So see, I made this one up here to have another see. I've got that curve there at about 10, so I may not even need that curve in it. And that, so I will double check on that. So yeah, so that's how you use the pipe anvil, and that. Good news still, the sponsorship's going to go ahead. I've got an email from them today. We are, well, I am going through and having to make a list up of quantities of everything that I'm going to need. Now, I've only ever helped out my grandfather doing this stuff, so if anyone's more experienced on the amount of primer, filler, I don't really know. I'm just going to estimate everything, and if I need more, I'll probably just hit them up for a bit more, and that. But yeah, basically I need to know how much thinners, how many litres of thinners, how many litres of 2-pack, primer, spray filler, all that sort of stuff. I just don't know what to do and how much of everything, because this is going to be my first time painting a complete car. I've only, Pop's ever done given me the spray gun, and I've done from there, and that. But yeah, anyway, So that's what's happening. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. My mind's just frizzled. It's just really, really hot in this workshop again tonight. So yeah. Oh look, if anyone can spot me a big industrial fan like on the loan, that'd be much appreciated. Because I've only got two little dinky little household fans that I use in my sleeping area. So, but yeah, I'll jump on again probably tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see how things go. Alright then, everyone. Thanks for watching. Sorry this may be a boring one, and that, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. Alright then, take it easy. Stay safe and keep your upside down. Cheerio.